Welcome back, everyone. Up next is Christopher Daniels versus the Brian Kendrick. And here comes the fallen angel, Christopher Daniels. This match is for the Juniors Championship. This kind of sounds like Goldberg's music, but it'll work. Yeah. And here comes the Brian Kendrick. And in pink tights and shoes and knee pads. Totally not gay. And this match is underway. Irish whip. And big knee to the face. And a drop kick and a miss. He slams his head into the turnbuckle. He's going for a suplex. No, reversed. Another suplex. Oh, but this time it's not reversed. Roll. Oh, well, not bad. Sorry about that. I think I'm a relative of Michael Cole. And he's gonna do it again. Oh, in reverse. Oh, and a figure four? No way. Christopher Daniels kicks out into the corner. Oh, that big chop. Going for another suplex. And he hits it. Hurricane Rana! What? Oh no! Not even a one. Slide it under. And a suplex. And what the frick? That looked really perverted. Oh, and an elbow to the back of the head. Breaks the eyes. Come on, you stupid ref. Pay attention to the match. Oh, and a big shot. Suplex. And Christopher Daniels is out. Finally, he's doing his job. Brian Kendrick goes for a kick. Irish whip instead. Oh my God, the Kendrick! The Kendrick! The Kendrick! 1, 2! Oh! He just kicked out at the right moment! Oh, and an STO! Runs and a big kick to the back of the skull! Oh, and a big spike DT! Vintage Brian Kendrick. Oh, and Christopher Daniels finally has the upper hand. Oh. Drop kick and a miss. And another miss. 1, 2. Oh, and he just kicks out. Another body slam. Oh, and he's choking him. He's choking him. Kendrick is able to get out. Oh, and he just goes down with a chop. Oh, and a frog splash to the back. What the? You are retarded, Brian Kendrick. You are seriously stupid. I like you better as Spanky. Oh, and what? Get him away from the ropes. Oh, and another rake of the eyes. Going for a suplex. Oh, and he's stalling suplex. One drop kick. Miss. Oh, and a big, like, weird ass thing. Son of a. Christopher Daniels tosses him over his head. Oh, and a kick in the nuts, and I heard a bell. Oh, and an STO! An STO! What are you doing, Kendrick? You could have pinned him. Irish whip. Oh, and he reverses it. Oh, what's this? Oh my god! Oh my. How did Kendrick get up from that? Running drop kick. Oh. Oh, he just kicked. Oh, and a headlock. A headlock. He breaks out of it. What's this? Oh, and he just falls on his neck. Oh my god! Here comes Kendrick! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! And he's somehow, they are somehow still standing. Get in the fucking ring, Kendrick! What are you doing, Kendrick? Get in the ring, get in the ring, come on, Andy! No! Damn it! On a DDT! He goes for a bend. He still cannot learn to get him away. Oh no! A rock bottom, bookend, whatever you want to call it, it's just that thing on the chair. Oh, and a rake of the eyes. Oh, Enziguri! Get him away from the ropes. An elbow to the back. Runs up to the ropes and goes on a high kick to the back of the head. 1, 2, 3. Kendrick wins. Finally. Kendrick has just won the Juniors Championship. Oh my god! We'll be right back, folks.